One-step equation bingo using multiplication and division. This is a digital bingo game, and this is the Thanksgiving version. All of the instructions are on slide 2. There are 25 different bingo boards. If you have more than 25 students, just click on one of the thumbnails on the left-hand side, and then come up here to slide duplicate. And you can duplicate as many different slides as you need. All of the one-step equations you're going to call out to the students are on slide 3, so you can give them scratch paper if they need it. As you're giving these to the students, just click and hold on the edge, move it to the right-hand side, and that way you know which ones you've already used. At the end of the game, just come up to the undo arrow, click it repeatedly, and everything goes right back into place. I give the students editing rights so they can scroll up and down until they find the bingo board that they want. I instruct my students to click in one of the chips and type their name or initials, and that way other students know that this board's already been claimed and they need to find a different one. Now, as you're giving these equations to the students, they're going to solve for the variable and find their solution on their board. Then they're going to click and hold on a chip and move it to cover the answer. Once they get 5 in a row, they can call out bingo. And if you want to check their answers, just have them move their chips to the side, and that way you can check and see if they're correct. Now at the end of the game, the student can come up to the undo arrow, click it repeatedly. All the chips go back into place and their name comes off the chip. And that way if they want to play again, they could scroll up and down, find a different bingo board, and they could play again. So this is the Thanksgiving version of one-step equation bingo with multiplication and division.